Amaka, what are you doing?
You're making a cup of coffee for the king.
But I saw Lieutenant, the chief maid, taking a cup of coffee to the king. What?
Yes. Again? What is wrong with that girl? I can't take this. This nonsense has to stop.
Remember, she's the chief maid.
Huh? Chief maid my foot.
Amaka, where is she going?
Wrong with you? What is your problem? What will you gain by seeing me get sacked in this palace? What? Will you take care of my parents? Would you pay my bills? Everybody in this palace knows that it is my duty to serve the king once it's 7:15 a.m. But just because I was 3 minutes late, you took your busy-bodied self to go serve the king. What is your problem? All you do is to make yourself unnecessarily relevant for the king and the queen. Why? So they see you as a special one, right? Huh? In your dreams. Listen, let today be the first and last you will ever do my duties again. Do you hear me? Rubbish.
God, how I hate that fool. I hate her with passion.
I still don't know what the king and the queen sees in her, that they chose to make her the chief maid. Huh?
Isn't it obvious? She knows how to cook.
No. She uses charms.
Charms?
Yes. If not, tell me, how else do you explain the king and the queen being fond of her? Including the prince. Is it not obvious that she uses charms on them? Has she not charmed them?
Charms?
Yes.
I don't think the prince is interested in her. I don't think so.
They play.
See, my only anger right now is why she's always pestering around the king and queen in this palace and always the first to do chores, to get noticed. I mean, why?
I hate that girl. Eh? I hate that girl so much. Kai, unnecessary competition. As for me, I can't wait for the day that I will get to deal with her in this palace. Eh? I will so much deal with that stupid girl.
You won't believe. I went there to confront her for the rubbish she did. And guess what? She ignored me. She didn't even act as if I was talking to her. Can you imagine? But I don't blame her. I don't. Let her try and do my chores again in this palace. I will show her the stuff I'm made of. Rubbish. Okay. We shall see.
Why was I hearing your voice? Wait a minute. Don't tell me you were shouting at the chief maid.
I'm sorry, my queen, but she got on my nerves.
Have you gone mad? Eh? Now listen and listen good. Let this be the last time I will ever hear you raise your voice at the chief maid. What is wrong with you? Don't you know she's special to me and should be accorded the respect she deserves? Don't try this again. Are you hearing me?
Yes, my queen. I'm sorry.
Now go and apologize to her immediately. Leave! Can you imagine?
Just calm down. Come on, just be calm.
I should have been more careful, Chidi. I should have locked the door before doing it. What the hell was I thinking? What was I thinking? God.
Come on, just calm down. It's good your mother didn't see it.
But the stupid girl is going to tell my mother about it. She's going to do it.
Who is she?
The bloody maiden who bashed into the room without even knocking with a stupid cup of coffee. God! I'm finished.
Just be calm. See, I know the gravity of what just happened. But then the man needs to go.
But I got caught in the act. And that's not a good thing. I got caught.
Just calm down. We'll find a way to fix this.
I know by the time I go back to the palace, there'll be lots of policemen waiting to arrest me. Bro, I'm going to jail. I'm freaking going to jail, bro.
Come on, boy, you know you can deny it. You can deny getting involved in your own father's death.
She saw me. She was right there. She saw me do the whole thing.
Don't you get it? She was there. Come on, it's her word against yours. Is a common palace maid. And there's no proof. It's you're the prince. It's your word against a common palace maid. Nobody will believe her. Just try and be calm.
Lotanna.
My queen. Yes, my queen.
Are you okay, my dear?
No. Yes.
Is it because of the way Amaka spoke to you? That disrespectful girl. I hope she has apologized.
No. Yes, she's apologized.
Good. When next she does such nonsense, don't hesitate to tell me. I will deal with her decisively. Okay?
Okay, my queen. Thank you, my queen.
Good.
Amaka, I think you should go and apologize to her, since the queen ordered you to do so.
Over my dead body. Why should I? Huh? Who is she?
Amaka, you may get sacked if she tells her.
She will not. She dares not. She thinks she can intimidate me. I will frustrate her till she leaves this palace.
Amaka, I think Isioma is right. What if she tells the queen and the queen decides to take action? What will you do?
She dare not.
But you said she was not listening when you were talking to her.
And I am not scared. I will make sure I deal with her. I will teach her a lesson that she will never forget in a hurry. Little bastard.
Udodipa, this one you're wearing this look.
There is fire on the mountain. Hi.
What is it?
I've been calling the king since morning. He's not picking my calls.
He's still asleep.
Oh, you need to wake him up. I need to see him. Something is happening in this kingdom that is about to rob us of our sleep permanently.
God forbid. What could that be?
Please, there is no time. Go and wake him up. I need to see him now.
Right away. Right away.
I should tell the queen. She needs to know what her son has done. The question now is, will she believe me? Will she? I need to make her believe me. I can't believe the king is dead, killed by his own son, his blood, God. But what if the queen doesn't believe me?
My king, you're still asleep. I'm always here to see you. My king. My king. My king. What kind of sleep is it? My king. My king. My king. Hey, my king. Hey, my king. Who is here? My king. Please. Hey, my king. No, my king. Please. Oh my God. Hey, somebody help me. Help. Oh my God.
Papa. Papa, what about the money I told you about now?
Ogonna, you came at the wrong time. Eh? This is the heat period in the palace. Eh? Lolo has not paid me for months now. Eh? The king just died. And the prince is not listening to anyone. What do you want me to do? Eh?
But Papa, this is not fair. This is not fair. You've not sent us money for the past 2 months now. And Mama is not feeling fine.
Shut that your mouth. Keep quiet. Didn't you hear what I just said? You didn't it?
Papa, see, if this gate man job is not working for you, just come and join us to farm in the village. No.
Get inside. Get inside. You know what? I'm a man. Big for nothing. I should come and join you in the village to do what? Look at the small place I'm just managing here. Very soon I will become a manager here. You are telling me to leave and join you in the village to farm. To farm as what? Eh? If they notice that you are here now, that is automatic sack. Get inside. Early morning, tomorrow morning. You start going. I'm going back to the village. Don't come and add to my problem here.
Lutana, what did you do to the king?
I don't understand.
Oh, you understand. Oh, you know what I'm talking about, you wicked girl.
Amaka. What? Can you please calm down? There are so many people coming to see the queen.
She needs to tell us what she has done to the king.
I did not do anything to the king.
Liar. All lies. And I swear to you, I will expose you. Even if it's the last thing I do, I swear, Lutana, I will expose you.
Oh, my queen.
Yes, sir.
It's unfortunate that we have to experience this loss at this time. You know. But the gods know better. Well, as it is right now, we will be expecting a lot of dignitaries coming to pay respect and condolences, you know, and it is proper that the prince is here. You know, it's not nice that they will come here and the prince will not be found. So I suggest that you put a call across to him, wherever he is, so that he can come. Okay?
It's my mom calling. I'm sure they must have found his corpse.
You are sure you killed him, right?
Of course, yes, I did. I even had to come back to confirm he was dead, and he was.
Good.
So what do I do now?
Well, just let the dust settle, and then in the evening you go back to the palace.
So I shouldn't take a call?
No. Leave it be. You just go back when you're sure the man is in the morgue.
Well, thanks, bro.
Anything for you.
I'm going to jail. Man, I'm so fucked up right now, bro. What am I going to do now? What am I expected to do now, bro? See, just calm down, bro. What you need to do now is just... Are you sure about this? Come on. Don't you just get out of the car? Alright, just get the hell out of here, alright? So much, man. Oh, you win, bro. Hello, my prince. Are you home? What? Where are you? Okay. Wait, just hold on. Hold on. Just stay there. I'm coming right away. Hold on. I'm coming now.
My queen.
Not now, Lieutenant. I can't eat. I need to know where my son is.
Is he not answering your calls?
He's not. Eh? I don't know what's going on.
My queen, I have something to tell you.
Not now, Lieutenant. I am stressed, please.
My queen, it's important to tell you this. Please.
Lieutenant!
I'm sorry, my queen.
What is this?
No. Is it not connected? It's connected, but it's not picking. I wonder what the problem is. Hi. Olu. Let it not be that the double tragedy has happened. Oh, God forbid. We can't bury a king and a prince at the same time. Look, I don't know what is wrong with you. Why would you conceive that kind of a horrible idea in the first place? Not that I mean. Please, just sit. Keep quiet. What is it? Why are you this negative? Huh? I'm sorry. But Onu, maybe you should alert the police. I've actually thought about it. Huh? But I'll do that tomorrow morning. That is if he doesn't show up today. Okay? It's alright. Let's go. Okay. Hi.
You know, I have a feeling the king was poisoned by the chief maid.
How?
What do you mean how? Wasn't she the one that served him coffee? So she definitely knows whatever happens to him.
Amaka, that's a huge accusation.
I know, but that's the truth. She killed the king. She killed him.
What did you just say?
You heard me. You killed the king.
How can you say such a thing to me? You know I would never do such a thing to the king. I loved him so much, like a father, and you know this.
You love the king. Of course you're a bastard. We all know that. So, tell us, how much do you love the king?
You believe her?
Yes. And I believe her too. Yes. You've given us so much reasons for us to distrust you in this palace. So all this your Baza Queen, all this busybody you've been doing since was just to kill the king. For what?
To take over the throne, which is impossible.
Enough, Amaka! Enough! I do not know why you hate me so much. But one thing I know is that God in heaven is my witness that I'm innocent. I have no hands in the death of the king.
You will soon know why I hate you this much. Wait until the queen gets to find out the real you. The queen Sue, killer, you are a murderer.
I didn't kill the king. Why would you even say such a thing to me? Why? And you believe that even you too?
Crocodile tears.
That's a lie. You?
Please stop all this pretense, I beg. You killed the king.
Hey, son.
Mom.
Where have you been? We've been searching the whole kingdom for you. What happened?
Mom, I was kidnapped.
What?
I managed to escape. You need to have seen the thick forest they took me to. I thought I lost my phone until I escaped and go back to my car where I parked it, and then I found my phone there.
May the gods forbid.
They wanted to use me for rituals, Mom.
God forbid!
Yeah, that's what they said. Meanwhile, where is Dad? I need to tell him what's going on. This village is no longer safe, Mom. It's not safe. We need to double the security. Why are you crying?
Your father is late.
Father.
My prince, we thank the gods of our forefathers for sparing your life.
Yes. I am grateful to be alive today. The gods be praised.
You say...
My prince, I'm sure you are aware of the tragedy that befell our people yesterday. Aside that, we have a major problem in our hands. The people of Umokoro Kingdom are threatening to release flood on our land.
Flood?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I came here to intimate your father about the issue when I met his lifeless body.
But we already have an agreement with the people of Umokoro. Or have they forgotten? They are to keep their borders closed since their dam is close to our village. If they, peradventure, open that, it will ruin everything that we have.
Exactly, my prince. That is why we need to meet with the king, so that we can try to resolve the king of Umokoro Kingdom, so that we can try to resolve whatever is responsible for his forgetting our agreement.
Well, no, we can do that with the elders.
No, my prince. We need a leader figure to do that. I mean, since your father passed on, we can't hold any crucial meeting without a leader. And as we all know, you are next in line.
I'm not ready, you know.
My prince, we don't have time. If we don't attend to this issue ASAP, if we don't meet with the king of Umokoro Kingdom and resolve this issue, then disaster awaits our people.
But to know
it's okay, son. Just do what you have to do to save your people, okay?
There you are. And where the hell do you think you're going?
Heading to the Queen's room
To do what exactly? Where are you going to?
I'm heading to the Queen's room.
To do what exactly?
To tidy her room.
Are you now the palace cleaner? Lieutenant?
No, my prince. But it's my duty to ensure the cleaner does her job.
You reek of betrayal. Are you about to snitch on me?
I don't understand snitching, my prince.
What did you see? What exactly did you see?
Nothing.
Oh, really? Is that so? Well, I've got my eyes on you. Your every move. Every day. Every time. I'll be watching you.
So how did it go?
It seems she didn't tell her mother anything.
I told you not to panic.
It's not as if she's not going to say a word. She is. For God's sake, she witnessed everything. She saw me kill my father. She was there, right there.
I know, but for now, be rest assured that she's not going to tell your mom anytime soon.
Bro, we need to find a way to get this girl off the line. So we need to figure out a way to do this.
Look, we'll take care of it, but then you have to be patient.
There's no time for patience. Alright? There's no time for patience. I'm in a fix right now. Meanwhile, how about the other guy from last night? How did he go?
Take care of it like I promised.
Oh man. You brother, man, you lifesaver.
Anything for you.
Thank you so much.
Just chill. We're going to sort it out.
No, we need to take care of this girl right now.
All right.
Right away.
All right. We'll do it.
My queen, I don't know if this is the right time to speak with you.
It's not, but go ahead.
It's about the prince.
What about him?
He's the one that killed the king.
Lotanna!
My queen.
Are you alright? Is something wrong with your head?
Not really, my queen.
Then what nonsense are you talking about?
My queen, I saw him kill
You need to shut up your mouth! Don't get out of this place! Out! Can you imagine?
The prince was here looking for you. Is he not aware you killed his father?
I'll pretend I am not the one you're talking to.
I am talking to you, you fool. The police was here searching for you. It's just a matter of time. They will all hear the full gist of how you killed the king.
He killed his father, not me!
What did you just say?
You heard me. He killed his father, and I watched him do it. Now you both know.
It's a lie.
It's obvious she's going to tell my mother soon, if she hasn't already told the maidens. I have to get rid of her as soon as possible. But how can I do this without arousing suspicion? She seldom leaves the palace for any errand. She's always at the palace. What if I ignore her? Maybe the fear of what I'm capable of doing to her may scare her and keep her mouth shut. Yes.
I'm Obi. I'm Obi.
Lieutenant, you should have allowed one of these cooks to bring it, instead of you bringing it yourself. Who am I, Onyekambo, that a chief maiden in this palace like you now service me? Who am I?
Amobi, you're very funny. Whether I am a chief maid or not, I am still a maid in this palace. So do not accord me respect too much than I deserve.
Lieutenant, I can give you any respect as far as this palace is concerned. I give you any respect. Don't mind those other maidens. It's pure jealousy. Pure jealousy that is disturbing them. And they are all evil. Evil.
Amobi, please. I am not here to discuss any of them.
Be rest assured that Kama will visit them one after the other. Especially that one who calls herself Amaka.
Like I said, I am not here to discuss Amaka.
You said it. Don't mind my talkative mouth.
Amobi. Can you keep a secret?
A secret? How secret is the secret?
Son, did you kill your father?
What did you say?
Never mind.
No, I heard you say something.
Like I said, never mind. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I don't know what came over me. Please eat your food, okay? Eat it.
Are you sure that she told her? Have you been listening to everything I just said here? The foolish girl opened her mouth to my mother. Did she believe her? If she didn't believe her, then why did she ask me? But from what you said, she may have told your mother, but your mother doesn't believe her. Because if your mother believed her, I don't think you'll be here. She might have called the police on you. That bastard opened her mouth to my mother. She needs to be taken care of. She needs to be deleted ASAP. I think I believe you on that. Because I think the next thing she would do is tell you no or some of the maidens who will be gullible enough to believe her. And that's trouble.
Now you're getting my point. Now you're getting my point. She needs to be taken care of. She's a big threat.
My queen.
Yes, hello.
Do you know that I was with the elders at Umokoro Kingdom? We waited endlessly for the arrival of the prince, but he didn't show up.
Huh. But he told me that he was going to join you people at Umokoro Kingdom.
He didn't show up, my queen.
I even called him a moment ago, and he said he just left Umokoro Kingdom. Huh? That the meeting went successful.
That is a blatant lie, my queen. It's a lie. This prince is becoming terrible. Look, see, I have to talk to him immediately. Please, I need to talk to him.
Well, he's not back yet. Let me speak to him first, please.
It's all right. My queen.
Yes.
Please tell him that all the elders are angry with him. They are not happy with him at all. It's all right. Let me hurry up now. I need to meet others.
It's all right, or no?
All right. Thank you.
Oh no, I am beginning to doubt his ability to take this kingdom forward if you make him our king.
I am more than disappointed for the way he lied to the mother after what he did to us. If not for the respect that Igwe Fodile had for us, he would have thrown us out of his palace. Huh?
Well, didn't you see how his Sonowu spoke to us with that respect? Because we went there without a king or a crown prince. What an insult! Eh? See, if that prince is not ready to take this throne, let him tell us.
Exactly. Huh? Anyway, I await his explanation for this nonsense that he did.
Hello, I should be on my way.
It's all right. I miss your family.
Pick your call, pick your call. What is wrong with my son? God, what is happening? Eh?
My queen.
What is it?
My queen, I have something to tell you.
Now is not a good time.
She said now is not a good time. My queen, we know what happened to the king.
What nonsense are you talking about?
The king was poisoned and...
I can see Lotana put you up to this. Isn't it?
No, my queen.
Enough! Now get out of this place. Out!
Listen, it was Lotana that...
Ah, of course it is Lotana. Now get out! Out this minute! Nonsense. What is really happening? Eh?
Something is not right here. Something is definitely not right. How can we give her such an important information and she paid deaf ears? How
How? Did you hear what she said? She said she knows. Meaning, she knows that Lotana did it.
I still can't believe what I heard. Is it that she's aware that Lotana killed her husband and she's covering up for her? Like, I don't understand. And decide to keep it to herself. Is she aware that the chief maid murdered her husband, our king?
Like I said before, something is definitely not right. And if it's what I am thinking, girls, we are in a deep mess.
How?
Charms. I told you girls before that Lotana uses charms. She must have charmed the queen so that the queen won't be able to accuse her or even challenge her. I mean, it's all part of her evil agenda. Don't you get it?
Meaning she can do anything and get away with it.
Exactly! Exactly!
You know what, girls? I hate that girl so much. Let's strangle her tonight. Who is with me?
Please, I'm not in support of killing her. Please, Biko, we can deal with her some other way. To deal with her, we could not go put ourselves for trouble. I beg.
Lotana. How can that girl, how can that evil being, how can that girl be so heartless? How can she have such evil in her heart? Jeez. Girls, what do we do?
And why did it take you so long to open the gate?
I was praying.
Are you tired of this job?
No.
You wash this car immediately because I'm going out with it, okay?
Murderer.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
Nothing, no. I was just reciting a poem.
He obviously called me a murderer. No doubt. That imp must have snitched on me.
Wash this car immediately.
You are committing evil. You have sold your heart to devil. You are now a murderer because of money and position. This is sacrilege.
My queen.
How dare you? How dare you?
My queen.
Shut up, you fool. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Why are you hell-bent on disappointing me? Eh, Lotana? How can you go about gossiping with my son's name to your fellow maidens, accusing him falsely, thereby laying accusation on him? What is wrong with you?
My queen, I didn't tell him.
Now listen, and listen good. If you ever accuse my son falsely, ever again, to anyone, I will not only have you out of this palace, I will also have you punished. Is that clear?
Yes, my queen.
Good.
My queen.
Out of my sight. Out! I will soon strip you of that chief maid. Stupid girl. Can you imagine?
Where is Lieutenant?
She's inside, my prince.
No, I thought I saw her leaving.
Oh, my prince, do you need anything? We can arrange that for you.
I want to see Lieutenant now.
Why are you all acting dumb? I need to see Lieutenant now. Go fetch her. Now. Oh, Lieutenant. There you are. I've been searching everywhere.
That's that.
For me?
Yes. Meanwhile, look what I got for you. Some nice snacks. You like them? Have it.
But I didn't ask for it.
No one rejects a princely gift. Go ahead. Enjoy. You are loved. Beautiful.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself for the reward of the latest jazz woman. Whoever did this thing for you is very strong. The person is so good. See how you made the young man forget that you murdered his father. Instead, he is showering you with gifts.
Who knows what he will buy for her next?
A car.
Or even marry her.
Over my dead body. You think you're winning, right? You think you're winning? When I'm ready for you, when I am ready for you, Lieutenant, you will run out of this palace.
Pico, give me this thing, officer. So if we allow you, you are going to enjoy this alone. Please, girl, sweet with me. Let's go and enjoy it.
Go and enjoy by yourself. I'm not interested.
I know you don't like snacks now, so this one is for me. Let me go and enjoy myself. I'd advise you don't eat that. Otherwise, what? What will you do? It's yours. Please, I'm inside the bed. Let me go and enjoy myself. One. The prince will buy something for. What's this? Let me enjoy myself.
The chief lady, Lotana.
Son, this document contains all the details you need to know about our kingdom and a guide in making good choice of word at all time. As a king, your father tried to teach you some of this, but you're always a loggerhead with him.
He never gave me the opportunity to express myself.
Oh, son, the time has come for you to right all his wrong and to do what is right for the kingdom. Go through this and sharpen your mindset. It will help you a whole lot.
It's alright, Mom.
Alright. So when are you meeting with the elders?
Oh shit.
What is it?
I have something to take care of.
What about the elders?
I'll be right back.
Oh my God. What's going on?
I don't know what to do. Honestly, I don't.
Maybe we should speak to the police.
The police? I don't have any evidence. Have you forgotten?
Yeah, you are right. It pains me how those girls are treating you and accusing you. And accusing you for what I am very sure you are innocent of.
Honestly, the worst is that the queen does not even want to give me a listening ear. She hates me now and I don't understand it. To her, I am a threat to the peace in this palace.
Don't worry, my dear. God will surely vindicate you. God will vindicate you, okay? Maybe we should tell the Onowu. What do you think?
I thought about that. But what guarantee do I have that he's not going to tell the queen? And once he tells the queen, she will definitely throw me out of this place. That I can assure you.
Like I said, God will surely vindicate you. God will not disappoint you, okay? We will surely work out something. And we will find a solution. Okay? You're a good person. You see, God will vindicate you and expose that evil prince.
Oluchi! Oluchi! Amaka! 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 Oluchi's not breathing. Is she okay? What is it? Is she okay?
Chidi, what's going on? How could you have made such an tedious withdrawal from my account, from the account? For God's sake, it's my father's account. You have no right to do that. You ought to have told me before making such an unnecessary withdrawal from the account.
You called it unnecessary?
Of course it is.
Did you ask me what I did with the money?
What else? No, you tell me what else if not women? What else?
Anayo, don't be ungrateful. Don't.
Don't tell me that, all right? Do not tell me that. You ought to do what is right. And what is right is you telling me before making such withdrawal from the account.
Oh, stop ranting and mind your kingdom. Stop worrying about the money that you and your generation can never finish. Besides, it's our money. Yeah. I mean, on it.
Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Is this what you're telling me? Don't piss me off. Chidi, don't piss me off.
Can I?
You can run in a person, but you cannot hide your. One day, this your sins on your name must find you out. Keep a cocoa you love.
What happened to her? What happened to Oluchi?
She killed her. Lotana killed Oluchi.
Amaka.
What?
How can you accuse Lotana of such thing? Eh? What proof did you have? Eh? That she did it?
Shut up.
Mba. Amaka.
Lotana, you heard what I said. Is it true?
My queen, I swear to you by the grief of my late parents, I didn't do it.
Liar.
I can't even believe I am being accused of murder. My queen, I didn't. Believe me, I didn't do it.
My queen is a lie. She's lying. Just the way she killed the king.
Amaka! My queen, this is very unfair. Unjustly and without proof. Amaka! What?
Mind your business.
Mind
Mind your business.
Strong.
Keep quiet, all of you. How dare you? Are you insane? How dare you raise your voices in my presence? Amaka, I don't know where you got your facts from. And you, Lotana. But I know one thing for sure. I will get to the root of this. I must find out who amongst you is the evil one. That I assure you. Now, get out, all of you. Out! Leave my presence.
Amaka, honestly, I'm scared.
And why are you scared?
Didn't you see how Oluchi suddenly died?
It's scary.
Who knows her next victim?
I don't want to believe that Lotana has a hand in this.
Are you the one saying this? For someone who is capable of murdering the king, she's capable of doing anything evil.
You know what we're going to do now? We just have to be careful while we seek protection, okay?
Protection?
Yes.
How?
Charms. We need to get good charms that can withstand whatever attack she throws at us.
And where do we get these charms of yours from?
Leave that to me. Since she's after the things, I will make sure I frustrate all her efforts. She will never succeed. So chill.
Come to think of it, will the prince even consider marrying a murderer as a wife?
You don't know the power of Otomoko. She can manipulate anything and control anyone. Just relax. I got you. Don't worry.
Amaka, I'm very scared. I'm very scared.
Scared? No. Don't be scared. Right? This is the time to be brave. Okay? You will not be scared. Okay?
I don't understand, Mom. Are you telling me that one of the maiden's body was found laying lifeless in this palace?
Her body has already been deposited at the mortuary.
Oh my God. I'm sure it's that chief maiden. May her gentle soul rest in peace, Mom.
No, she's not the one. It's Oluchi.
What? You mean that lieutenant girl is still alive?
Yes. Yes. But I still can't understand the mystery behind Oluchi's sudden demise. Our parents have been informed and they are currently on their way here. Something is really going on in this palace.
She killed our friend. Yes, murderer. Her corpse is at the mortuary. Why don't you go there and stew on her corpse? Yes, stew on her flesh, since that's the reason you killed her.
You are very wicked. Very wicked. You denied her the chance to a better future. Look, your days are numbered. I promise you.
If only you girls would calm down and ask yourselves why she died after eating the snacks bought by the prince. He poisoned it and wanted me to eat it and die, since I am the only one who saw him kill his father. Why do you think he's so desperate to kill me? Why? You both ought to be smart enough to know that he's trying to cover up something. So, you're trying to call us foolish? Right? No, we are foolish now. We don't know what we are saying. I didn't say that, did I?
You even had the guts to accuse the prince of killing his father. Girl, you are bold and terrible.
I know that you must be scheming another evil plot against us. But let me tell you, my blood is too bitter for you to suck.
Mine too. You can't get through us.
Excuse me. Bitch.
You sent for me, my prince.
Yes. Go there and get me a recharge card.
Okay. I'll send one of the maidens to do that.
No. I want you to go and get it yourself.
I said I'll send one of the maidens. They work under me.
And I said, you go out there and get it yourself.
But what difference will it make? Me going to get it for you and them getting it for you.
Do not get on my nerves, Lieutenant. Don't!
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I do not leave the palace for any reason without the Queen's approval.
How dare you? Are you refusing a direct order from me?
With all due respect, I'll need the Queen's permission to do that.
Mom! I will not take this disrespect from her or anyone else! I will not!
Well, it's been a standing order that the chief maid should not leave the palace except I approve of it.
What do you mean by that? Are you telling me she's not answerable to me?
Son, every other maiden is answerable to you except the chief maid, who is only answerable to me, the queen.
Mom, I don't like this. I do not like this one bit. I am the next king of this kingdom and everyone is supposed to be answerable to me.
Son, I am sorry if you're offended by her action. But if I may ask, what is it that you want her to do that other maidens cannot do for you?
I wanted her to go get me a recharge card. What's so hard to do in there?
Send the other maidens. She can't leave the palace except it's an unimportant message or an errand. Period.
Really? Well, that's fine.
Maidens! Maidens!
She just has to die. She has to die.
My prince.
What?
My goodness. My prince, who got you angry? I'm sorry if our presence offends you, my friend.
What do you want?
My prince, the queen has ordered us to go on any errand for you today.
Get out of my sight now.
My prince, please ignore her. She didn't put it well. She meant to say the queen asked us to go on.
I said, get the hell out of my sight! Bitches! Bloody bitches!
My prince, we have been outside for a long time. Is she not coming out?
Fall back.
My prince, what do you say? Okay, sir, okay, sir, okay, sir. Sky, we are about the mission.
We are about the mission?
Yes.
Oh shit! So, after wasting this much time? Eh?
Move the car.
Oh shit.
Move the car.
And what were you discussing with the prince?
I don't understand.
Are you trying to take him away from me?
Take who from you? Why do you sound insecure? Besides, you never told me you were interested in the prince.
Well, now you know. Rubbish.
Hey? What is wrong with this one? Amaka! Amaka!
That girl is still alive till now.
Now, wow. But then take a chill.
I can't take a chill until she's dead.
Are you going to kill her in the presence of your mother and the other palace maiden? Huh? You just have to wait your time. Maybe when she's out of the palace on an errand, something.
I just have to look for a way to lure her out. Or better still, drag her out myself.
Come on, don't sound desperate. It will arouse suspicion. Huh? You just have to take your time till she's out of the palace. And then just get the boys ready. Anytime she's out, you just grab her. It's as simple as that. You plan.
I have the boys on speed dial.
Good. Huh? Good. What about the issues in the palace? Have they been sorted out?
I'm sure they know who and the elders are really mad at me, but I don't care. I've got a lot in my head. They're the list of my problems right now. I don't care.
Just calm down. You are the king. Huh?
I just want that girl dead. ASAP.
See, there's always a solution. Just chill. You plan everything.
Must find you out.
My queen.
What are you doing?
I brought your food.
And when has serving my food become your job?
Well, it used to be Oluchi's job. My queen. But now she's dead.
Then assign the job to someone else. I do not want to see you touching my food again. Is that clear?
Yes, my queen. Apologies.
Good. Uncover the food. Now, eat.
My queen?
I said eat. Eat the food. Good. You can go.
You think I will hurt you? My queen? I'd rather die than allow anything or anyone hurt you.
Well, I no longer trust a word coming out of your mouth. Out of my sight. Out!
But oh, you see, I'm sorry for disappointing and also reneging in my duties as a leader. Oh, that was all as a result of the pressing issues I had to take care of. I'm sorry.
My prince, what can be more pressing than the fact that our kingdom is at the verge of going into extinction?
I know.
No, you don't. If you do, you wouldn't have left us waiting in vain at Umokoro Kingdom. We were so embarrassed. Look, let me tell you, all the elders are unhappy with you. You must know it.
No, that is why I came to say I'm sorry, and I'm still saying I'm sorry. What else do you want me to say? I'm sorry.
It's alright. We are going to revisit Umokoro Kingdom tomorrow. This time around, no disappointments, okay?
I will not disappoint you, no.
Good.
I promise.
It's alright.
I'll see you tomorrow, no. I'll see you tomorrow, no.
Son.
Mom.
I put a call across to your late father's account officer. I think it's about time he took over the management of your father's money and assets. Why waiting for your coronation?
You called his bank?
Yes. We need an audit and...
Mom, I don't think that's necessary right now.
Oh.
Why don't we wait until after my coronation, then we can do all of this. I'm not ready for any of this right now, please.
Well, if you say so, but I still think it's right. We'll let him know we're going to call on him soon.
That's fine. Whatever I want, I'll go meet him up. I'll go see him. Whatever I want. Yes, I will.
Okay. So, son, you haven't told me what you discussed with the elders.
We'll talk about it later, Mom. Now, this is why I was against you making such huge withdrawals. How am I supposed to convince my late father's accountant not to include those withdrawals to his report? Just how?
Come on, you just figure out a way to tell him that.
You're sure you figure out a way to do that? So easy to. Now, how is he supposed to do that without arousing suspicion? How? You tell me.
Come on. He will understand. Beside the whole money is yours. By inheritance, you own the whole money. What are you saying?
Chidi, you don't get it. You just don't get it. I do not want my mother to suspect anything. I don't want her to think I did it because I wanted to take my father's money. Don't you get it? Don't you?
Oh, come on. You are a prince. A king to be. How you can't para like woman?
You know what? You're going to send your men to pay the accountant a visit. Let him instill some fear in him, just maybe. Maybe he'll be considerate. Alright? This is your mess, so you fix it. I'm out of here.
I like this. This one is nice.
My queen.
Yes, what is it?
I'd like to leave the palace.
Leave the palace? I don't understand.
My queen, I'd like to return to my father's house. I want to resign.
You want to resign?
Yes, my queen.
Why?
My queen, you do not trust me. You used to, but not anymore. Which has made it unhealthy for me to continue working in this palace.
Why should I trust a girl who has started keeping secrets from me? What reason do I have to keep on trusting you? Tell me.
It is obvious that no matter what I say or do, it will not make any difference. Which is why I want to return to my father's house.
Well, I can't grant you that request for now. You will have to wait till my son's coronation. And for me to be sure that you're not up to anything sinister.
But my queen...
Hey! Out of my sight! Out!
I did not create myself. I'm not the creator.
Oh, Mom, I'm going to think about that.
Okay.
No, we're standing now. I'll do what I have to do.
My queen, boss, you called.
Yes. You will follow my son, the prince, to Umokoro Kingdom tomorrow as his personal assistant.
Me?
Yes!
But you have a problem with that. At least this time the order is not coming from me.
No, my prince.
This is a very rare opportunity. You should be celebrating this.
So, prepare yourself in a better dress. You will leave early.
Okay. Thank you.
Son, I still wonder why you prefer this fool. You have able-bodied girls in this palace that can do the job of a PA, even better. What can this fool do for you?
Mom, you indulge this girl too much. That's why she's so lazy. At least for once, let her be useful to this palace.
You are committing evil. You have sold your heart.
Well, if you say so.
To devil. You are now a murderer because
I just want you to be at Umpo Junction by 9 o'clock, 9:15. Will you be there? Umpo Junction. Just get your men ready, alright? I'm counting on you. Alright, bye.
What the hell is wrong with you, Chidi? What the hell is freaking wrong with you, man? What?
Just need to calm down.
Chidi, what the hell is going on? What's going on? Do you want to ruin me? What's going on? Just calm down. Don't ask me to calm down. I told you to meet up with the account officer and you went ahead and made show-ups. Who does that?
Oh, please. Come on, just calm down. What's the fuss all about? Just 10 million. What?
For God's sake, you withdrew 20 million some days back, and now you withdrew 10 million? What the hell are you doing all this money? I need a car. You didn't need a car. But you have a brand new car. What do you need another car for? What is all this? Huh? What is all this? Do I have all this answer to you like that? I don't get what you're doing. Huh? What are you saying? See, we are in this together. Just allow me to have my freedom. You're going to win this. Don't say I didn't want it. You will win this.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. What the fuck is wrong with this guy?
I got to you. All the glory. To you, Jesus.
Wait a minute.
I don't understand your food. Or are you blind?
Me? My food? Anaka, you bought food for me. Eh? So you can tell me in your wildest dream that you evil vultures bring me food. You believe I will eat it?
You must be very stupid for saying that.
Thank you.
What's wrong with yourself? What is it?
Nothing.
I don't blame you. I blame myself for condescending so long to bringing you food. Stupid man like you.
Very good. So you want to poison me the way you have been poisoning others? Okay? You see, if you think this little brain will not carry, when I know passing me, I know times 2 more than you.
You are mad.
If you are evil, I am eviler than you.
You are very stupid, Amobi.
Thank you.
You have sense.
Don't mention.
Foolish man.
Yes.
Why do I even come here? Don't worry, hunger will massacre you in this palace. You don't want to eat the food, Abi? You will starve.
Yes.
If you are eating the way others are eating, you will go fatter than this. Look at you are going slimming. You are not ashamed of yourself, and you are in the palace eating.
Oh, leave him. Don't eat now.
I have right to eat at any time, at any day. I want. I will not starve. Nducho. One day, give me foul. You want to come and poison me? Nonsense. Not be your fault. You want to poison me, it won't work for you. Where are the others? They just step out. Now, yes.
Look, after tomorrow starts, I have another job for you guys. Which is... This is your new target. Yes.
I'll tell you how to go about it. Okay, boss.
I need your help.
What is it?
My life is in danger.
How?
The prince, he wants me to accompany him to Mokoro Kingdom tomorrow. But I'm scared I may not return safely.
Then you should refuse to go with him. Is it by force?
He already has the backing of the queen. And you know I cannot refuse a direct order from the queen.
So what do you do now?
I don't know. That's why I came to you for help. You need to think of a way to help me. Otherwise I am dead by tomorrow. I don't want to die. I want to die.
Don't worry. You won't die. We must find a solution. You won't die. You won't die.
Hey. Lotana, we have decided that you will no longer sleep in this room with us. We can't continue sleeping with the devil and the murderer.
So what we're trying to say here is that find yourself another place to be sleeping.
Wow.
Listen, sisters.
I just hear you say, who's your sister? Don't fire you there. Your sister is in Yaba left receiving treatment. Rubbish.
Can you please listen to me? Can you just calm down? Please. Right now I am so devastated. The prince is trying to take me with him to Umokoro Kingdom tomorrow. And I am afraid I may not return. He is trying to silence me because of what I saw him do to his father and to Oluchi.
Lotana, If I understood you correctly, you are saying that the prince is taking you out tomorrow.
You don't understand.
Of course we understand perfectly, Lotana. You are our enemy. You have always stood against us and against all that we want.
I can't believe this. You are going out with the prince. And you have the guts to brag about it. You took my man from me. And you have the guts to come brag at my face. You took my man from me and you're coming here to gloat at my face?
That is not what this is all about. I am not interested in your prince.
Liar.
Ha! I'm only asking you to save my life. Help save my life. He's going to kill me. I need you to know the truth and expose him for who he is. Lutana, enough! Enough! Just go. Leave.
She said you should go.
Get out of here this minute and God help you if you tell the queen what we've just said here. Get out. Out. Go, go, go! Hey!
See, Amaka, what if she tells the queen that we pursued her from the room?
She dares not.
Huh?
No, she dare not.
See, if she does, we are officially doomed.
That is not my problem right now. She's going out with my baby. Didn't you hear her?
Your baby.
Where is Lutana? Where is she?
My queen, she's in the toilet. She said she's having one stomach.
Will you go fetch her for me? I'm running late.
She's in the toilet, my prince. I can go with you if you don't mind.
Are you stupid? Are you Lutana? Come on, will you go and get Lutana for him? Oh, there she is. I thought they said you were in the toilet. Why are you crying?
My darling, don't worry. Very soon you get over this, okay? Mom, she looks frightened.
I can see that. Don't let her embarrass you. Otherwise, go with somebody who is bold enough.
I am here, my friend.
You're where? Better be careful. My prince, I can go with you. You know, I am.
My family, shut up! Who asked for your opinion? You're becoming a nuisance in this palace. Listen, darling, you'll be fine. Okay? Let's go.
Amobi! Open the gate.
My prince, there is a problem. Oh.
What problem?
I can't find the key. Since morning I've been searching for it.
Listen, my friend. Don't let me lose it on you today.
Go and find the keys! There is nowhere.
What?
The key.
What nonsense are you talking about?
My queen, is not nonsense, so I can't see the key.
It's okay, son. Let me search for the spare in my room. I'll be right back.
Mom, please hurry up. I'm not going to walk with this boy when I become king. I swear to God, I'm going to...
Amaka, what are you doing? Why are you ransacking Lutana's bag?
I am looking for charms. Those charms that she used in controlling everyone in this palace except me. I must find it today.
Wait, are you saying Lutana is controlling me as well?
Haven't you given me reasons not to believe that? Huh? After seeing you for leaking with my prince, you were busy making advances as him. I don't have your time now.
Amaka, Pico, where did you hear all this from? I don't understand. Please, don't even say what you don't know.
Be very careful with me. Be very, very careful with me.
Amaka, you are my friend. I would never do such a thing. I was only taking the prince's attention from Lutana, and you know it.
Just remember not to cross my path. You know me. You know. I don't have your time because this chance.
Amaka, you know what? I will leave you to what you're doing. I don't have time for this. Before you take this thing to another level.
Go.
I must see those charms today.
I said stop this car!
Please, my prince, stop the car. It's possible she's saying the truth. Eh? The car fed her bladder. Please park.
Alright, fine.
You see what I told you? You see what I told you? You see what I told you? Do you see what I just told you right now?
You said so, my prince. You said so. Where are you?
I told you she was going to run. I told you, no, she won't.
I did not create myself. I'm not the creator. Why must my own be different?
My queen.
What is it?
My queen, I'm here to speak on behalf of Lutana. Although she doesn't have parents to fight for her. But I'm here to speak on her behalf. I don't know the evil plan your son, the prince, has for her today. But if anything happens to her, should anything happen to that poor, helpless, innocent girl, I will make sure I tell the whole village why your son desperately silenced her.
Amobi,
have you gone bananas or what? You can call me pineapple or you call me watermelon. You can even take away my job. I don't care anymore. But that poor innocent girl life will not be cut short by a man who desperately wants to rob our big man.
Enough! What is it? God! What's wrong with everybody in this palace? Have you suddenly lost respect that you now speak to me with such boldness? Are you mad?
My queen, at this point I think I won't conceal any truth anymore. I won't. I'm sorry about that.
I will attend to this matter when my son returns. Until then, take your cap and get out.
One day this your sins on your man must find you out. Evil people nanasa imelalu anina chogosa. Wicked people.
I just hope.
Scarf, call this man. Let us know our movement. You don't pass that way and give us.
I hope this time around he's not going to disappoint like before. Because after that he will do something reasonable this time. Because after today, if we fell on this, I don't think I will do this again. Hello, sir. We have been there waiting for a long time now. What's the movement? Hello?
What about this?
He said that the princess has escaped.
Hey! What type of process is this now? What will be kind of this nonsense? Which bad luck with this one?
This is the high time we terminate this job. I don't think we can do it.
Hi, what are you going to do now?
We need to terminate this job.
Sir,
we need to terminate it.
Let us start.
What is going on? Why is this little girl hell-bent on destroying my son's image with unfounded accusations? Why is she insisting that he has a hand in his father's death? Is there something I'm missing? What could be the reason that my son has to kill his own father. I don't get it.
My queen, where is my phone?
I don't understand, my queen.
Where is my phone? I can't find it.
My queen, I am not with your phone.
Where is Isioma? Isioma?
My queen.
Where is my phone? I can't seem to find it. Where is it?
Your phone?
Yes.
I'm not with your phone, my queen.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm serious. I'm not with your phone.
Listen, you both should stop this joke. Stop it! Where is my phone? Or am I living with another person in this house? Where is my phone?
My queen, I'm not with your phone.
Get out of my sight. Out, you both! Oh yeah, bring out your bags. And God help you if I discover the person that stole my phone. Because I know I am not living with strangers in this palace.
My God, my queen.
So you are the one that stole my phone?
My queen, no. I will never take anything that doesn't belong to me. I don't know how the phone got into my bag, my queen.
You didn't do it. Yet I found the phone in your bag. How dare you lie to my face? How dare you?
My queen, I'm not the one. Amaka, please talk to her. I'm not a thief.
Talk to what? Isn't it obvious she saw the phone in your bag?
My queen, please.
Will you shut up your
I'm
mouth?
not a thief.
You're still lying to my face.
Amaka, please let me to beg. My queen, please. I'm not a thief, please. I'm not a thief.
I will deal with you.
My queen.
Don't you dare.
My queen, please. I'm sorry. My queen, Amaka, please help me. I'm not a thief. You know I'm not a thief. Amaka, you know I'm not a thief now. I'm not the one that stole it. Amaka, you did this. I know you did it. I thought we were friends. I had your back, Amaka.
Really? You had my back? Well, I thought so, not until I saw you discussing with my prince. And I asked you about it, you even have the nerve to deny it.
That was because the prince asked me if I had any information about Lotana. That was the chat we had.
Oh, and it took you this long to tell me, huh? Well, I never stopped seeing you as a contender and a stumbling block to the way to my prince. Alright? So, I'm sorry. But I'm not sorry.
Amaka, God will punish you. You want to marry the prince, right? He will never marry you. All your plans will backfire. Evil child.
Coming from a fool who just got sacked on her way to her wicked parents. You know me now, you can't even try. Get out, let me see you home. Get out, so let me see you off. I run this palace. I run this palace, girl.
Why must my own be different every day? Why this envy? Why this hatred? Why this jealousy? Why, Jimo? Anything I say, problem. Lotana.
Where do you think I am?
What kind of stupid question is that? Mo believe the way let me pass.
Ah! Not until you... Unless you tell me what I need to know. Else, I will not allow you to go out of this gate.
Since when? Listen, Amobi, if you don't want to get on my nerves right now, get out of my way.
This is my office. I am the chief CSO of this palace. So you are not going anywhere.
You want to try me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, watch and see.
Yes.
Red! My queen! Amobi, leave me alone! Red, my queen! Amobi is trying to wake me!
Amaka!
Red!
Amaka, respect yourself.
Red!
Amaka, respect yourself.
Help, please! Somebody help me!
Amaka, respect yourself. You are not going anywhere. Amaka, respect yourself.
Amobi, leave me alone!
My queen, I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know.
Hey, my queen is a lie. He harassed me.
I don't even know what harassment is all about. Talking less of touching butts.
Enough!
My queen, please, I swear.
Amobi! How dare you?
My queen, I'm innocent. I'm innocent, I swear.
You will suffer. Just wait till my son returns. Now, get out. Get out of my sight! Can you imagine? Fool! Can you imagine?
Ah! My prince! Why did you go in there now? Why did you push it? Take you off. You know that speak there. I told you she was going to run. I told you she was going to run, and there she was. She ran! I don't get it. Why did she run as if something was chasing her? Oh. I don't understand. Well, that's because she's mad. She's obviously mad. Stuck baby mad. Please. Ono, let's leave her and go our business. The king of Umokoro is waiting for us.
Oh no, Iche is right. Yes. For that silly girl, she must find her way back to the palace, which I know. But when she does, she must surely dealt with for playing pranks on us.
I will make sure. What nonsense! I will make sure of that. I mean, look at the embarrassment she caused us. Huh? It's alright. Let's go, let's go. What nonsense!
Are you not going to stop me again? Stop me now. Eh? Baby, come and stop me. Onyala. Stop me now. I'm receiving another hot slap from the queen. Nyara. Hey, my friend. Stand up there and lock this gate.
Stand up and lock the gate.
Not create myself, I'm not the creator. Aburamu kerewemo, aburamu chukwu. Why must my own be different every day? Why this envy? Why this hatred? Why this jealousy? Why, Jimo? Anything I say, problem. Lotana. Anything I do, wahala. No one wants to hear me out. When we're running, anything I say, problem. Lotana.
Bodike akpangwe izo ga choba dike. Obo ebe ka na afọ aje fa kwa na ajo ofia. My daughter, what brought you to my shrine?
Ezemo, I need a very powerful charm that can make me get any man of my choice and bend him to my will.
Olugwagwa ko neru. Olugwagwa ko neru. My daughter, bother not, for you are the right place. Yes.
I know. I trust you, wise one.
Really? Or I'm security. Okay. I owe you one. Thank you so much.
Where is Lutana? Where is she? What have you done to her?
How can you raise your voice at me? Have you got mad?
Where is Lutana, you murderer?
What?
You think I'm afraid of you?
Say you speak to me that manner. I'll have you punished for this.
Son, you're back. How are you and how did it go?
I had a very bad day. A very, very bad day.
What happened? And where is Latana?
The stupid girl ran off.
Ran off? How?
She said she wanted to ease herself. I stopped for her to do that and then she disappeared. Without trace. I said that was not enough. I just got home and that demented security man was calling me names.
That fool is leaving this palace after today. I've had enough of his outfit already. But son, what I don't get is Lotana running away. Why?
Should have known the girl is mad. Should have known the girl is possessed. You need to have seen her aggression inside the car. So something else.
My elders. Hello.
Oh, you are here?
Yes. We all saw what happened today. Okay? I have no doubt in my mind that something sinister is happening at the palace.
That's exactly my thought. Onowu, I was shocked when that girl called our prince murderer. Can you beat that?
I was surprised. I said, what could give that girl morale to call our prince a murderer?
Well, she might just be blabbing. You know, I mean, how can our prince be a murderer? I don't understand.
That's why.
Who did he kill? I find it very difficult to believe.
Onowu, you may be right. But we are not supposed to overlook this. That's a very strong statement. I will suggest we do a collective investigation and know the truth. We must find out the truth.
It's a bomb. The truth must come out.
It's all right. We will carry out a proper investigation. Okay? We need to find out the whereabouts of that young lady. Okay? I think that's what we should do first.
Exactly.
Let's go. It's really, really shocking that this kind of thing is happening at this time. You know? It's shocking.
Now you know. Is it?
Are you not the palace guy?
That doesn't matter for now. I came for something important.
He's not around. Is everything all right?
Yes, no, everything is not all right. I will need to wait for him.
Fine. Let me offer you a seat.
Good.
If it's that important to you. Alright. Let's go.
Tell me, son, I need you to be very honest with me.
What is it?
Are you hiding anything from me?
You asked me this question before. What's going on?
Son, it's important. Is there something I need to know? Just be honest with me, please.
Mom, right now you're beginning to get on my nerves. I told you I know nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Then how come everybody in the palace are pointing accusing fingers at you? What's happening?
Mom, what you should be busy doing right now is helping me find that girl that escaped from my car. I think she knows something. She knows a secret.
What makes you think she knows something?
I said, I think. I'm not assuming or presuming right now. You're beginning to act straight. What's this with your new behavior? What's going on? You're beginning to scare me right now. Mom.
What are you doing here? You are supposed to be at the palace manning your
I came with something very important.
Odikwanama.
It's a matter of life and death.
Life and death?
Yes. It's about the death of our king and who murdered him.
What?
Oh no, I need you to act fast. If not, the life of an innocent poor girl depends on it.
Wait. Could it be that my mother is beginning to believe I did it? My God. I need to stop that girl as soon as possible. Just get out of my room, alright? I have a lot going on in my head right now. Get out. Get out.
My prince, do you like what you see?
I said get out!
Do you like what you see?
Of course, yes. I like what I see.
Oh no.
You mean Lotana ran away?
Yes. She did though. As soon as the prince stopped the vehicle, she dashed into the bush.
But to where?
I don't know. It's terrible.
Thank God the prince did not hurt her. I thought she's dead.
No. But I can't guarantee her safety.
I need to find her immediately. Where exactly did you people leave her?
I did not create myself. I'm not the creator. Why must my own be different every day? Why this envy? Why this hatred? Why this jealousy? Why Jimo? Anything I say, Lotana. Anything I do, I'm wants to hear me out. When they were running anything I say, problem. Lotana. Anything I do, no one wants to hear me out. Everything seems like a dream. I'm so confused right now. How can I explain this? Who will believe me, Jimo? Who will allow me to tell what I saw?
I don't get it.
I really don't get it. How can able-bodied professional allow that little girl, I mean, to escape your grasp? How am I supposed to believe this? How?
Boss, we almost have. But she ran away from us. We followed her through the bushes. Even inside. It is not like we just retreated.
Just look at what you've seen. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm just disappointed in you guys. I'm so disappointed.
Boss, we followed her all through. We really did. In fact, I believe by now she's dead.
Oh, am I supposed to believe this nonsense you're blabbing? Am I supposed to tell this nonsense to the prince? The prince wanted the girl to be brought to him alive so that he can just execute her himself. And you're here telling me cock and bull story. She flew, she went to the forest. Are you okay?
Boss, like I said, there is no point. I believe she's dead. I'm very sorry that we could not capture her.
Oh, stop all that. You're not getting the point. We need to see this girl. We need the girl brought to the prince. You're telling me she went to the evil forest.
That's all I know.
Son, where have you been?
I was busy in my room.
Busy with what?
Mom, I've got business to take care of. I'll see you when I come back.
Son, you haven't told me how your meeting went with the king of Umokoro Kingdom.
I'll tell you all about that when I come back, Mom. I've got to go now.
What about Lutana? Are we not supposed to be looking for her?
Mom, that should be the least of my problems right now. Okay? I'll see you when I see you.
Okay, let me see you off.
But you cannot hide your. One day, this your sins on your man must find you out. Keep a cook on your Namaste, Imelalu, and in a chugasa. Evil people, Namaste, Imelalu, and in a chugasa. Wicked people. Nanasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogasa. Unfriendly friends, yo. Nanasa, friendly, yo. Anina Chogasa. Remember,
Amobi.
Lutanna! 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 Lutanna!
Hey! Where is Lutanna? Eh? Where has she gone to? Hi! How can she be? Huh? Where is she? Ah.
Lutanna!
unfriendly friends, yo. Nanasa, friendly, yo. Anina
Lotana! Hey, where could she have gone to? Hey! Poor innocent girl. Lotana! No, wait. It's me, Amo. Sorry. Searching for you everywhere. Sorry.
Her Majesty, it appears that the gatesman is not at his duty post. I suggest you sack him. But if you can't, I understand. When my husband gets back, I will make sure he fires him.
Amaka, is something wrong with you? Are you insane? How dare you?
I don't understand. And hey, you might want to reduce your voice when talking to me, okay? Because I am the future queen of this kingdom, while you will become the queen mother.
That will be over my dead body. I don't know whatever plans you have with my son, but that will be over my dead body. Never!
Your son chose me. How is that my fault? He chose me and I choose him. Okay? I will be his wife and there's absolutely nothing you can do.
How dare you!
Don't you ever raise your hands on me again. Be warned. Be warned. Rubbish.
Am I dreaming? Is this a joke?
You will be fine, my dear. Eh? You'll be fine.
He tried to kill me. He sends gunmen to kill me.
I know. I'm sorry for all you have been through. I am sorry for all you have been through.
Moby, the queen deserves to know the truth. I tried telling her, but she wouldn't listen to me. She needs to understand.
Please, don't worry, my daughter. Just relax, okay? Everything will be fine. I need you to save your strength because you're going to need it in days to come. Well, as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I'm going to ensure that whoever is guilty will go in for it. The truth must prevail this time around.
Exactly.
So, my daughter, just calm down, be relaxed. Okay?
Oh, God! Chidi, what kind of nonsense are you telling me? What do you mean she escaped? That little girl? What kind of incompetent men do you have working for you?
Boss, we are not incompetent. We tried our best.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean your best?
She's even dead by now.
Dead? How? Where is her corpse? What proof do you have?
Sadly none for now, but we saw her headed towards a very deadly bush.
Yes.
I believe by now she must have been dead. I can beat my chest.
My friend, will you shut up? Do you know what that imp has survived in the past? Until I find her corpse, you guys failed. You all failed.
This is what I'm saying. I told them that they failed, but they don't understand what I'm saying.
Listen, guys. We need to find that girl, and we need to find her now.
Consider it done, my prince.
Well, I just got an information that she is at the village clinic. I need you to send your men there. Or better still, you go there yourself and take care of this. Alright? I do not want her to tell everyone what I did to my father. She's the only living witness, and I want her dead. Chidi, shoot on sight. It's very important she dies today. Alright, you call me when the need arises. Take care for now.
My love.
Oh yes, I'm back. And for how long have you stand there?
Long enough to hear most of your conversations. But don't worry. Alright, I won't use it against you. You know, I hate that Lutana girl so much. So why would I want to hurt the love of my life with the information I just heard? Don't worry. As long as you promise to make me your wife.
Of course, why not? I will make you my wife.
You make me your wife? Thank you. I love you. Look at you. A murderer. Whoa. This is so unbelievable.
Bring down your voice. I do not want anyone else to hear about this.
Sure. Trust me, baby, your secret is safe with me, okay? I promise to take it to my grave. Hence you make me your queen.
Consider it done.
Baby. Oh my god. I'm blown away. You make me your queen?
Of course.
Oh my god, you will be the queen. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I promise no one will hear it. Your secret is safe with me. I won't tell anybody that you murdered the king. I promise. Sorry.
Why don't we go to your room to celebrate this good news?
My room?
Yeah.
Why not your room? I'll be more comfortable there.
You see, I'm sure you have a thing or two you would like to pick from your room. Or, why don't we just get all of your stuffs to my room right away?
I'll be living with you in your room?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. That's my queen.
I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it. Oh my god. Let's go. Right away.
Very well, my queen.
He called me his queen.
You're going to be my queen.
I'll be your queen.
We're going to rule this kingdom together.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. You know you're sexy, right?
I know.
Stay.
That idiot is leaving this palace at once. I don't know what you told her, or the agreement or the assurance you gave her, but I will not be alive to see you get married to that animal, that desperate fool. I will not.
Mom, I do not know what you're talking about. And I never had any agreement with anyone.
You slept with her.
What?
You slept with that pig.
God forbid. The gods forbid. I can never condescend so low as to sleeping with a commoner. Mom! I will never do that. I'm disappointed that you have thoughts like that about me.
Wait, you mean you didn't sleep with that animal?
No, I did not do that. How can you think of that about me?
Then what nonsense was she talking about when you left about you getting married to her?
She must be mad. She must be stark, raving mad. Well, that's by the way, because I sent her away already.
Wait, you mean she's not longer in this palace?
Oh yes. You know, I came back and she threw herself at me, so I dragged her to a room, picked everything that belongs to her and sent her out for good.
Good. Now I know I have a son worthy of his father's throne. Thank you, son, for saving me the stress of driving that animal out of this palace. Because that's exactly what I was about doing.
It's alright, Mom. I have taken care of that already.
Good.
Meanwhile, we had a meeting with the king of Umokoro village.
Okay.
And we reached an agreement. We're going to be paying them a certain fee annually for their good works.
So, that's a good news. At least, I now know that our lands are safe. I fear nothing anymore.
Of course. Everything is safe.
You can run in a bus, but you cannot hide you. One day, this your sins on your man must find you out. Give a cocoa you Namasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogosa. Evil people, Nanasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogosa. Wicked people, Ndiabiaja, Nanasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogosa. Unfriendly friends, Nanasa,
Hey! Mom!
Son, did you see this stupid gate man as you drove in?
No one is here. My mom happened to like I saw. What's going on?
That stupid fool is done being the palace security. I will make sure he doesn't enter this compound. Never again. I will also send the police after him for this embarrassment. What nonsense!
Come on, Mom. Why stress yourself over that fool when you can just let him go without paying his salary?
Son, you're right. That's okay. I guess you're going out again.
Oh, yes, I'm stepping out.
It's alright. I will close the gate after you. Don't worry. I'll lock the gate once you leave. Okay?
Come on, Mom. You don't need to stress yourself like that, right?
Allow me. I'll close the gate once you leave, okay? You don't need to worry about that. Yes. Alright. Okay, darling. I'll be waiting.
Evil people, Namasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogosa. Wicked people, Ndiabiaja, Namasa, Imelalu, Anina Chogosa. Unfriendly friends, Namasa, friendly, Anina Chogosa. Remember. No peace, your sins he go find you. Remember, nothing easy for the wicked. Remember, everybody watching it. Your sins he go find you. What to you? If I live for God and answer, what to you? What to you? What to you?
My elders, I need you to listen attentively to what this young lady has to say. Okay? As you can see, she has passed through a lot. She has suffered. She has faced several dangers. Okay? But we thank the gods that kept her alive, so that the evil that was perpetrated by the so-called crown prince will be exposed. Okay? Yes. Lotana.
Papa?
I want you to tell the elders what you know about what happened the day our beloved king died. I need you to tell them everything to be minute details. Okay? Don't hold back. Okay? Go.
Hello, Prince Alpha.
I'm coming to meet you. I have an issue.
What?
I murdered one of the maidens.
What?
She was listening to my conversation with you. I had to put her off in order to protect my secret. What of that imp? Were you able to capture her?
Yes, I have her with me. I will send you the location.
Chidi, you're a lifesaver. I need you guys to help me take care of the corpse at the palace before my mother or anyone else sees it.
Alright, don't worry about that. When you get here, we'll talk about it. Yeah? I'm sending you the location now.
But, boss, we don't have the gear yet.
Look, it's time I send that motherfucker to his early grave.
What?
He's gotten into another trouble that I cannot handle. He keeps getting into trouble. So, just get ready. Get your guns ready. Once he's here, he's a dead man. No mistakes.
No problem.
You slipped off my son's hand and ran away. Making people to see my son as a kidnapper, isn't it? You have been on an endless crusade against my beloved son.
My queen, that is not the reason we're here.
And you had the guts to abandon your duty post, thereby leaving the palace security porous.
My queen, I didn't mean to, but I had to. Lotana's life was in danger. I just couldn't sit by and watch the poor innocent girl get murdered in order for the truth to be concealed.
Murdered by who? Are you the one that wants to kill her? Are you?
My queen, please calm down and listen to the reason we are here. Please.
Of course I know why you're here. She must have told you the nonsense she told me about my son, and you sheepishly believed her. And now you're here to point accusing fingers at my son.
My queen, please just calm down, okay? Be patient. Listen to her and let her say what she has to say. I mean, she deserves to be heard. Please.
Okay. I am listening.
What about the girl? You know, hey, it was just a moment ago that I thought about it. Everything I've been doing for you. Yes, the sacrifices, the risks. I've been the one that got you back from time immemorial, isn't it?
Of course, yes. Why are you telling me what I already know?
Because I'm fed up. Yes, I'm fed up. You're the one that suggested that we will hack your father's account, and in return, that we'll share everything that is in the account equally. You cut half for me, but now you're questioning my spending money. Huh?
Well, that's because the money in question, it was going to be my money at the event of my father's death. I was going to inherit it.
Oh, but he was not ready to die. He was not ready to die. But then, I orchestrated his murder. Yes, so that you can have the money fast enough. But what do I get in return? You start questioning me. You start monitoring my moves. Look, the money is not your money, it's our money. Yes, you don't question how I spend money. I'm supposed to collect anything I want from that fucking account. Shut up! I've breaded your insults and pomposity enough. Look, right now, I'm going to kill you and have the money for myself.
Don't. Chidi, don't. Don't, Chidi.
Say your last words.
Chidi, don't.
Get rid of the body. Okay.
Freeze! Hold it there! Go down this.
Get down from! Stop it!
Mom, I'm sorry, I need to catch the next flight to Dubai right now. I have a business meeting to meet up with. Yes. What's going on?
You evil child. I should be asking you. Tell me you didn't do it. Tell me you didn't kill your father.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The lie. I saw you. I saw you strangle him. And then you tried silencing me by poisoning that snacks you bought for me.
which Oluchi ate and died. You killed her. You did.
You killed Amaka. We saw the corpse outside. Your body don't chill now, you don't cool.
Why did you do it? Why did you become this evil and wicked?
Mom, it's not what you think. Okay? It's not what you think. But Mom, sometimes a man has to do what he has to do to get what he wants. I'm sorry.
So you had to kill your father, my husband. He loved you so much. He was ready to give you everything. Why?
I know, but I couldn't wait. He was going to die first before I inherited everything he has. I ran out of patience, Mom. I had needs. I wanted to sort out.
You had to end him. How evil and monstrous are you? I regret giving birth to you. And evil like you can never be my child. Never!
Please now, don't
I hate you.
Mom, don't say that. Don't say that. I'm so... You see what you've caused? You see what you caused?
You see what you caused? I swear to God, I'm going to kill you. End of the road. My mother. For you. Your mother.
Take it. You're under arrest. Take it.
Quiet!
Must find you out. Keep on cooking you out. The sky is dark. Darkness is rolling around this palace, this palace, this palace.
Move now. We are wasting our time. Move. Move and stop wasting our time.
My friend, move! Anayo. I curse you, Anayo. I curse you this day that it shall never be well with you. You will suffer for the remaining days of your life. You will know no peace. Your son will murder you the same way you murdered your father. That is if you make it out of jail alive. You will suffer for the monumental pain and shame you have caused this family and to this kingdom. I am not your mother. I denounce you this day that you cease to be my son. Let the earth bear me witness, Anayo. You can never be my child because ni melalo. You have caused me pain, Anayo.
Let's go in that way. Please. Let's go.
You are committing evil. You have sold your heart to devil. You are now a murderer because of money and position. This is sacrilege. Ogini mero wagi Ogini meruwagi, ogini meruwagi ya. Lotana mo, the chief man. Lotana.